Hi, good morning everybody. I hope you are well and enjoying your time at home. Today we are going to look at a story. The story is called The Past and the Future. But first we're going to start with a game. On a separate piece of paper, please can you write the numbers 1 until 9. Then I'm going to describe a word to you. Please, can you write down what word I'm describing? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Number 1. This is a thing, often a toy or a game, which requires you to solve it to reach the end. Okay, number 2. This is a vehicle which will take you to a hospital if you happen to be sick. Number 3, you must make and send these if you want people to come to a party. Number 4, on a car there are 4 of these. On a motorcycle there are 2 of these, and on a unicycle there is just 1 of these. What is it? Number 5. If you write a message on a piece of paper, put it in an envelope and post it to someone, what do you call that piece of paper? Number 6. You become one of these when you travel on a plane or a bus or a train. Okay. Number 7. This is a type of animation usually made for children. Okay. Number 8. This is the word that describes this is a word that describes the area that is outside of our world. And the last one, number 9, this is a synonym for data. Okay. If you need to play this part of the video again, that's fine because it was quite fast. Okay, well, let's look at the answers. Are you ready? Your answers should look like this. But don't worry if you didn't get those all correct. That was a pretty difficult task. Now, please look at task A, and please can you categorize those words? In the suitcase, please put all of the words connected to traveling, and on the screen, please can you write the words that are connected to something that we read or write. Give yourself a couple of minutes to do this, and then we'll look at the answers together. All right? You can pause the video while you do the task. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's look at the answers together. Your answers should look something like this. Okay, cool. Now we are going to look at the story in more detail. Before you look at the story, please look at the questions under task B and try to predict what the story is about. Now, later when we read the story, please notice the boxes that say yes, no, or don't know. If you can confirm the information in the text, please tick yes. If you cannot confirm the information, please tick no. If we are not given the information in the text, please tick don't know. We're going to look at the example together first before we read the text. The example looks like this. Now, at the start of the story, it says it was a foggy autumn day in London 150 years ago, and Helen could only see a few grey shapes through her bedroom window. So we know her bedroom window is in London, so the answer to number 1 must be yes. In the third sentence of that paragraph, it says he, Robert, was reading about 16th century kings and queens. It does not tell us whether he enjoyed reading about them or whether he did not enjoy reading about them. So for this one, the best answer is don't know. Okay, let's read the story together, and please can you answer questions 3 until 8. This is quite a long story, and please don't rush it. So maybe give yourself about 8 minutes to read it, and then a couple more minutes to refer back to the text. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's do task B. Okay guys, have you finished? Cool. Well, we're going to look at the answers together, and then after that I will show you where in the text the answer to each part was. So your answers should look something like this. And this is the part of the text which gives us the answers. I have underlined the relevant words. Okay, let's look together. Okay, well done everybody. Please don't worry about task C. We will look at that another time. For your task, I am going to create a WhatsApp group for our class, and I will give you further information through the WhatsApp group. So please stand by for further information. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. I hope you are well, and I hope your family are well. Please, yeah, just enjoy your time at home, and hopefully we'll be able to meet again soon. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.